Here.
All right, well, here's what I promised you. Here's what I said I would bring. It's 5. Now, she gets off work at 6. She'll be all alone at home. You just have to make it look like an accident, okay? Like
relax.
No knives, no guns, no. Just make it happen. It can't come back on me, okay?
This ain't my first rodeo, Mark.
Look, sorry, I haven't done this before, you know? I never thought I'd be in a situation where I would have to do this.
Listen.
And I really do love her, okay? I really do love her.
Relax. Everything is taken care of. Have a drink. Calm down. It's all going to be taken care of shortly.
Thank you.
And one more thing. She paid me 10.